Powered by NationalLink.
Start by checking the lights on the in-hand wireless unit. Make sure all lights are solid. Note: the color does not matter. If the cellular or worn light are flashing, it may indicate a bad, dead, or suspended wireless. Unplug the Ethernet cable from the wireless unit and plug it back in. Make sure connections are firmly in place. Unscrew both antennas from the unit. Check the antenna cables and connectors for any visible damage or bending. Once finished on inspection, screw the antennas back on securely. Unplug the power cable to the unit. Once the lights are off, plug the unit back in. Allow the unit to boot up and connect to the ATM properly. Confirm all lights are solid again. Log into the ATM with the master password. Navigate to System Setup. Press Terminal IP. Press DHCP. Make sure DHCP is set to Enable. Make sure all is filled out in the middle of the screen. Cancel out all the way for the ATM to initialize and return to the welcome screen. If the issue persists, call into the help desk at 909-670-1900, extension 1 and 10.